Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Aruna Kalra. I'm obstetrician and gynecologist with over 23 years of experience in my practice. Thank you very much Mompreneur Circle for having me here. Today we are going to discuss how to prevent urinary tract infection in menstrual bleeding. There are few points which I would like to share with you. First thing is that if you are using sanitary napkins or tampons, you need to change them frequently. So in the evening you have to change your tampon for overnight flow. If you are using menstrual cups, again in the evening you have to remove the cup, clean it and reinsert it for overnight usage. Second thing would be, do not hold your urine for more than 4 hours even if you are at work. It creates infection. And second thing is, frequently you should be having liquids, 10 to 15 glasses of either it's soup, buttermilk or lemonade. Have frequently plenty of oral fluids during the day. Third thing would be, after every act of urination and passing stool, clean yourself with water. First it should be cleaned from behind and then front. Mostly urinary tract infection is from E. coli bacteria, which is a bacteria in our stool. So we have to clean from the back and front and dry it with tissue. Do not rub it. After every course of intercourse, act of intercourse, please clean yourself, go urinate, clean yourself, dry yourself, and then come to the bed. Even if you are trying for conception, this is the best thing to do. Staying in the pool of semen does not increase chances of conception. I would tell you here that inadvertent use of antibiotics kills normal bacterial flora. The same way, frequent use of vaginal washes also kills your protective bacterial flora, which is actually preventing vaginal infection. So we are not going to use vaginal washes frequently. Morning water, soapy water bath is enough, and after every act of urination or passing stool, just cleaning with normal water would suffice. Again, if you are your hemoglobin is low, it is less than 12, your immunity is low, if you are diabetic, or if somebody is in perimenopausal stage, all of us in this category are prone for urinary tract infection, and we should keep our hemoglobin up to increase our immunity. Our diabetes should be under control because it gives bacteria a very sugary environment to grow. And perimenopausal females, because estrogen level is low and vaginal skin is thin, chances of urinary tract infection are more. People who are sexually active and having partners, I would suggest that using condom would be a preferred method to prevent urinary tract infection as well as vaginal infection. So my take-home message to you would be, in common toilets also you should be using P-Buddy device with which you can stand and pee, and chances of getting urinary tract infection would be less if you are not sitting on that seat. Clean yourself, clean the toilet before leaving, and keep it clean for everybody else. Stay safe, stay healthy, and do not take antibiotic without doctor's prescription. Thank you.